Want to get into crypto but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your first crypto wallet step by step. It's free, fast, and you don't need any crypto experience at all. So a crypto wallet is basically where you store your digital coins like Bitcoin, your Ethereum, or even NFTs. And without one, you can't buy, send, or receive crypto. So think of it as like a digital bank account, but you own the keys. So there are two types of wallets. Hot wallets, which are connected to the internet and super easy to use, and cold wallets, which are offline and extra secure. Today, we're going to be setting up a hot wallet you can use instantly on your phone or browser. So step number one is to go to MetaMask.io. Or you can download the MetaMask app from your app store. Click Install MetaMask for Chrome or open the app. Add to Chrome, add extension. Once it's installing, we're going to click on it. And on mobile, you can just download the app. Once that's done, we're going to hit Create Wallet. Check the boxes. And now we're going to create a new password. Make sure it's strong. Next, save your recovery phrase. This is critical. Write it down and never share it. Confirm your phrase and boom, your wallet is ready. Once you complete those steps, you're going to be granted with congratulations, and now your wallet is protected and ready to use. You can always find your secret recovery phrase when you go to Settings in Security and Privacy. Click on Done. Once the install is complete, click Next. Done. Alright, so here's how to send and receive crypto. So what you're going to want to do is click on Account 1 to copy your wallet address. That's how people will send you crypto. To receive coins, paste that address into a crypto app like Coinbase or Binance to send to it. Link in the description below to set up Binance. To send crypto, click Send, enter their address, and choose how much you want to send. So by default, MetaMask only shows your Ethereum, but you can also add other blockchains like Polygon, BNB, or Arbitrum by clicking Add Network. You can also manually add tokens like USDT or SHIBA by clicking Import Tokens as well. So as you can see here, there's Buy, Sell, Swap, Bridge, Send, and Receive. So these are all the buttons you can use to make it quick and easy to send and receive. And that's it. You now have your own crypto wallet.